Here's the top 6 weapons to use in Season 5 2025 Call of Duty Mobile. Right at number 6, we got the LK-24. If you're a passive player who likes to hold down choke points, this gun's for you. Slow ADS time and fire rate make this gun the perfect passive player gun. Here's the loadout. Coming on to number 5, we got not one but two guns, SKS and Type 63, both being semi-automatic and marksman, where Type 63 is a bit more aggressive version of the SKS, with higher mobility and fire rate, making this the perfect gun for playing objectives and holding in spawns, while Type 63 allows you to rush in and be aggressive with it. Here's the loadout. Right at number 4, this is gonna be the ASM-10. This gun as of Season 5 2025 can 2-tap in the head with its special barrel attachment called the Branson barrel. With the current buffs increasing its mobility, this can be the best medium skill high reward weapon on your loadout. Here's the gunsmith for it. At number 3, this is gonna be the PP-50. This gun has dominated the meta for a year now, with its highest in class fire rate and super low time to kill. This gun can be used as both passive and aggressive playstyle. Here's the loadout. Coming in at number 2, it's the VMP. This gun has an incredibly fast fire rate. With this fire rate, this gun can achieve a time to kill of as low as 185 milliseconds. This gun shines in short range and mid range. This can be the best overkill duo with sniper. Here's the loadout. Right at number 1, it's the USS Sniper. Dominating as the number 1 gun since its release back in 2024, it has the highest damage in all full auto primary, with its range being the highest in SMGs and even ARs. With the .32 AR max, this gun can 2-shot through the head at mid range, with the only downside being its low fire rate. Because of this, you'll find yourself often using close range fights from guns with faster, higher rates. Other than that, this gun is broken and is an AR in disguise. Here's the loadout. Which gun is your daily this season? Comment below and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.